In this exercise, we're asked to sketch a graph of the following quadric surface. You're not really expected to sketch 3D. It's really just a solved example to get you more familiar with quadric surfaces. Just have to follow. You wouldn't get something like this in an exam. Sketches are usually computer aided anyway. Okay, so look through the list of quadric surfaces and let's see which one it fits most closely. And I find this one, which really fits this except for the bit with the -6. So let's for a moment ignore the -6. Then what we have here is exactly what we have here, with a equals 2, because this 4 is a squared, so a is 2, and b is 2, and c, well, this is like z over 1, so c equals 1. And in general, the shape of this graph, I'll show you what it is. Here's what it generally looks like. The z is the one which is the odd one out amongst the three variables. If you saw something with different order, like maybe it would be z squared over a squared plus x squared over b squared equals y over c, then y would be the odd one out. The odd one out is the axis that it's centered along, and in this case z is the odd one out, so z is the axis it's centered on. And the sign of c, in this case it's positive, tells us whether it's going it's facing upwards or downwards.